So we've been shoveling for about, it's March 18th or 19th, 2015. Michael and I have been shoveling for about an hour and a half. This is what we got so far. Here's our path. Much higher than me or Michael. We got to the driveway and we started getting to the car, but there's still a lot of work to do. And it's still going to snow all day. Still going to snow all day till about 6 o'clock. It's only about 10 o'clock right now. Never seen anything like it in Halifax. Hey buddy, where are you?
Here.
You tired?
Yes.
We gotta get back out there, bud. We only just cracked the surface. We got a lot more work to do.
Yes.
And look at that deck. That deck is gonna collapse, I'm sure.